Esi sisibhedlele iPhelenomi nalapho kugonywa khona. Ezinkonde nenkondekazi zizokufumana ugonyo. Lezempilo abathandathu nabasuka kwisebe lezokhuselo bazokuncedisa isebe lezempilo kweli ziko.
There has been technical glitches and there's also been challenges with regard to the transportation of the vaccine, but the process seems to be seamless now. We are all hands on deck with regard to how we distribute, and we also working very closely with the SAPS to make sure that we transport vaccination on time.
Ezinkonde nezinkondekazi zichulumancile ukufumana elithuba lokugonya.
The administration was good, they were very friendly and they helped us quick. We come from Tweespruit, it's about 90-100 km from here.
I'm just feeling okay. I don't feel any pain or something else now. You can see me, I'm standing near you, I'm fine.
Kodwa nangona kunjalo, abanye abalivuyeli elithuba.
I put all my trust in God. And if I don't put my trust in God, then I'm going to fail him. Then I'm not going to be loyal to him. Then I'm going to trust doctors for healing. So I'm not going to go for it.
Isebe lezempilo kweliphondo likwiphulo lokuqesha abasebenzi abatsha nabazokuncedisa kule nkqubo yogonyo.